In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Affirm and create an account 2025 step by step. Let's start with where you can sign up. You can create your Affirm account right at a partner store's checkout on affirm.com or in the Affirm mobile app. The process is the same across all three, but I'll walk you through it using the app so it's easy to follow along. Before you begin, have an SMS-capable mobile phone from the United States or a US territory. Affirm uses your mobile number to verify it's really you. This means every time you sign in, you'll enter your phone number and receive a one-time 6-digit code by text. Enter that code to continue. Affirm will never call, email, or text you asking for that code, so don't share it with anyone. If you ever change your phone number, be sure to update it in your account to avoid getting locked out. Also keep in mind, one mobile number can be linked to only one Affirm account. If you're told your number is already in use, reach out through the in-app or website help option labeled "Still have questions? Contact us." Now download the free Affirm app from the App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Open it and when prompted, enter your mobile number, then choose Next. You'll get that verification text. Type in the code to proceed. Next, enter your legal first and last name and your email address. Make sure the spelling matches what's on your government ID, since this information helps confirm your identity and prevent account issues later. You'll then be asked for your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is used to verify you and keep your account secure. When everything looks correct, tap Create Account. If you're prompted to set up a passcode, go ahead. It's a quick way to add another layer of security. You can also enable your fingerprint or Face ID if your device supports it. If you don't set this up right now, you can always add it later in your account settings. From here on, signing in is simple. Enter your mobile number, receive a fresh 6-digit code by text, and use it to access your account. It's fast, secure, and designed so you don't have to remember a password. That's it. You've created your Affirm account. Keep your phone handy for sign-ins, update your number if it changes, double-check your name and email for accuracy, and never share verification codes. If you run into any issues, use the help option in the app or on the website to contact support.